So I'm at this house here, and I wanted to just do a short video on how not to hook up your furnace. So this furnace is an updraft furnace, which is usually meant for basements, for houses with basements. This house is on a crawl space, so anyway, so the heat comes out the top, and the cold air comes in through the bottom. And this has a crawl space on it, so it's a little what do you call it? Counterproductive, or counter, I don't know what you want to call it. But so you got the heats run out of the ceiling, right? Cold air is at the bottom. Of course, we're in Michigan, and so yeah, this is it's a cold air return right here. You can feel cold air coming in through here. So this is not the right way to do it. So I just wanted to let people know, when you're setting up, doing a furnace installation on a crawl space, that's the most important thing. Crawl spaces are always damp, usually, unless you live in the south or a real dry climate, or a low water table. If you live in a high water table or a colder climate like Michigan, you always want to run the heat out through the floor, which in turn makes the crawl space warmer. So yeah, that's cold air down there, come in there, hot air coming up here. So the floor is cold, always cold in the winter, and the top of the house is hot. Makes no sense at all. All right, have a good day.